Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. I am completely obsessed with these snow bibs from Burton. These are the Avalon snow bib pants. These have been one of my favorite snow pants I have ever owned. They are so comfortable, they are functional, they are cute. They have so many pockets, they have lots of features. They come with the air vents on the legs, tons of pockets. The pockets are so deep on these pants, you can fit so much in them. They have zippers and Velcro, so everything's going to be nice and secure in there while you're snowboarding around, or maybe you're sledding in the backyard with your friends or your family. I was so fed up with getting snowed out of the back of my pants when I was on plow duty. So that is why I got one of these pairs of pants, and it was a game changer. They don't fall down, they're gonna stay up. I really appreciate the way that these are made. They have a zipper with also some button snaps, and obviously also they are overall, so they've got the bib, so everything is gonna stay where it's supposed to. You don't have to worry about your pants falling down when you're out sledding with your friends. I'm 5'4.5", and I think these are the perfect size for me. I think that even they would fit great on someone taller or shorter because they have a lot of different features that help you adjust. These are such a high quality, good pair of pants. I really have loved Burton forever. I feel like they can do no wrong. So I think that if you're in the market for a good pair of snow pants, then these ones are definitely for you. I love them. I think you will too. And that is my point of view.